Welcome to Daily New Drawings. Hello everyone, welcome to the Daily New Drawings channel. Today, I'm going to draw Pocoyo and his friend Pato. Have fun on playing swing. Let's draw it. I will start my drawing with the swing bar. And also its swing hanger. I continue with 3 more. And supporting beam. And also the swing chain. Firstly, I'm going to draw my favorite Pocoyo. I draw shape of his head, his eyes, nose, and mouth. I draw his arms and hands for holding the swing chain. He's sitting on the swing seat, his body and legs. Now I am going to draw Pocoyo friend Pato, who wears nothing but a small green hat, his eyes and beak, neck and arms, legs and his feet, and swing seat. Let's color it. I'm using this dark pink marker to the swing bar. And yellow for the swing hanger. How do you like to go up in a swing? Oh, I do think it the pleasantest thing. Blue for ground handle. Pato means duck in Spanish. He likes green hat. Red for the swing chain. Yellow for his skin. Orange for his beak. Red for his legs and feet. And this color for swing seat. Let's color Pocoyo. Blue for his hat and dress. Skin marker for his face and hands. Red for mouth. Let's color his swing seat. Great! Well done! If you like my video, please like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video!